I'm Maureen Herbert. I began the Masters in Professional Computing Science program at SFU this fall. I live in a single studio on campus at Hamilton Hall Residence Building. Let's go get a glimpse at what my apartment looks like. I got the apartment in the corner, so as soon as we walk in, there is a mini hallway with a beautiful view of the football field. To the right is the closet with a lot of storage space, and I've been able to organize everything that I bought with me. Next to that, we have a fully functional kitchen with a stove and an oven, and also a lot of storage space on top. Opposite to that, we have a private bathroom with a bathtub, a sink, and storage space below it. The living area has a refrigerator with a freezer and a table with 2 chairs for dining. It is super useful when you have friends over. Other furniture include a desk, a bookshelf, and an extra 3-drawer cabinet which I have been using as my pantry. My favorite part of my room is the view from my windows. The room also comes with a single bed frame and a mattress.